Okay, welcome back. So I hope you had a good Christmas and New Year. Welcome back to the channel. I've eaten way too many chocolates, too much sugar, too much bad food. Have you made any New Year's resolutions? I'd be interested to know what they are. I think going to the gym more, trying to eat good food, all things I'm going to try and do. But we'll see, because who doesn't love good chocolate? There we go. I'm glad to get back to normal. So in this video, we're going to check out the courses and merch page for our project. And also, I forgot to say, hello there. Okay, so we're back in our Figma file. I am going to jump in, just going to unlock that layer and grab our next page. So let's zoom in. There we go. So courses and merch. Let's press Command C, copy that, lock that again, go into the wireframe pages. Let's just drop that in. Can always tidy up this file a little bit later, but we've got everything separated out, so that should be fine. Let's just copy one of these basic wireframes, drag that across. Okay, so looking at our sketch, we've got the navigation again, so that's fine. We've got a top section, a hero section again, which we have. So we do have a trusted by section, so let's just expand this a little bit. Let's drag some of these frames down just to make a bit of space. There we go. So we've got another section here showing the courses that we're doing and the merchandise. So we've got all categories, popular, merch. So I think this is probably going to be a bigger section. If I drag that up, get that to snap in, so that'll be the courses and merch section. I'm just going to delete that. This is probably going to be a bit larger. So this page has slightly less sections. It's a little bit more simple in some ways. So we've got navigation, hero section, trusted by. Then we go into our courses and merch section here, and then we can have different cards and different categories relating to the different things that we're showing, and then straight into the footer. So what I'm going to do, just like before, is I'm going to copy out one of the previous wireframes. I can always take the about page and I can just chuck that in here. So what I'll do is I'll delete out the sections that I don't need in this wireframe, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to populate this wireframe with information related to the courses and merchandise section. I can use my mood board for some inspiration during this process, so that should come in handy. What I'll do now is I'll speed up this part of the video and I will see you in a bit. Okay, welcome back. So we have completed our wireframes here. Let's just zoom in and see what we've got. So we've got our top section here with our navigation, and we've got our hero image with the heading courses and merch. So maybe here we're going to do something with typography, or maybe we use some imagery. Haven't decided yet, but something we can decide and progress more in other videos. We've got our trusted companies here as the next section. And then it goes into a tab component where you can view all categories, or you can just look at courses or just merchandise. We've got some basic filters here on the right hand side, so people can filter by star rating and by price, and that corresponds to both courses and merchandise. Maybe we want to flesh out and build out more complex filtering later, but let's just stick with that for now and we'll see how that goes. We've got the heading for this section here for courses, so this is going to show all our courses. I've taken these cards from a previous design. If I zoom out, I've taken these from our homepage here. So where it shows the latest course is just there, so I can reuse that element. Let's just zoom in again. So under courses, we've got merchandise. The card layout is pretty much the same size. We've just adapted it slightly because maybe for products, you're going to have more focus on the image. So the image will be the key thing here. We're going to have the star rating, and then we're going to have the product heading, and then we'll have the prices and the call to action beneath. So I think that'll be fine. And then that leads nicely into the footer, which we've already designed. A fairly simple page. So we've reused some of the elements from the other wireframes, like the navigation, like the footer, like the cards. This is great for consistency, and I think that's going to help us in the future as we progress these designs. Okay, so that is it for this video. We've built out our courses and merch page. Let's just jump into sketches quickly. In the next video, we're going to look at the contact page, and we'll look at building that out as a wireframe. Okay, let me know in the comments if there are any other videos you want me to make, or if you have any questions about the process or Figma or anything else that maybe I've not included. Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And that's it. So like and subscribe, add some comments, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay.